Dear Governor and my brother, let me stand on other existing protocols. Your Excellency, as I mentioned to you, I'm in Benue today being Christmas. Just, I was decided that I would celebrate my Christmas with the less privileged and people in IDP, in Benue and in Kogi. And I'm here to visit the Benue IDP camp. And I thank you for the privilege of being able to give an opportunity to come and say hello to you while proceeding to the camp. Thank you, and Merry Christmas to the good people of Benue State.
The incoming President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. I want to commend you and thank you very much for finding time to be here with us, first of this kind. That is why you're a unique presidential candidate. Others have chosen to neglect these IDPs that are in those camps. The camp you're visiting is just one of them. We have over 2 million IDPs and 8 official camps and more than 10 unofficial camps that we're battling with here for the past 5 years. And several people have come here, several presidential candidates. None of them have chosen to visit those camps and look at their plight and see how they are doing, and at least giving them hope that when they win, they will bring succor, they will bring help, they will bring hope to the people. None of them. And for you to have chosen to visit the IDPs, and not just on an ordinary day, on a Christmas day that you should be celebrating with your family, you're here visiting IDP camps. For me, as a Christian, I have nothing to say than to say, God will bless you. God will bless your ambition. God will bless whatever aspiration you have. The aspiration to be president of this country, my prayer is that God will bless you. And to reiterate my earlier comment, which I said, that because I have seen capacity, I have seen faith and hope, and I have seen someone that can bring the required justice, equity, and fairness that some of us have been pursuing since I became governor in 2015. If I were not in PDP, I would have been following you all over the place to canvass, vote for you. But because I'm in PDP, I'm still telling Nigerians that this is a man that can help deliver this country from the challenges that we have today. So I welcome you. This is your home. Anytime you want to come, day and night, in the morning, you're free to come here at all times. There is accommodation for you. We have the food basket. There is food for you. No matter how many people you bring, we are going to accommodate and provide every support that is needed for you to do your campaign. The rest we leave it to God. It is God that crowns. John 3:27, the man can receive nothing except is given to him from above. Power belongs to God, and he giveth it to whosoever he wills, whether you have structures or not. But if God say it is you, you'll be there and nobody will stop you. At least my prayers, nobody can stop me from praying for you. I pray that God will help you achieve your ambition so that Nigerians will feel the impact of governance. Thank you, and God bless you.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.